Hey lovelies, it's Ebony and I'm here to celebrate with you all because summer is finally here. Well, it feels like summer is finally here with this 90-degree weather. But anyways, I'm here to help you take all the guesswork out of traveling with your natural hair products. I'm going to a wedding in Jamaica this weekend, so let's get right into it. Now, in case you didn't know, TSA will allow you to take liquids and creams inside your carry-on bags. They just can't be in containers bigger than 3.4 ounces. I found these little jars on Amazon. They're 2 ounces each, so they're perfect for like my styling creams and gels. And these little bottles are perfect for, like shampoo, conditioner, co-wash, stuff like that. These little bottles I was able to find at a Target and Walmart in the section where they sell the little travel size hygiene products. For this trip, I'm going to be packing just a co-wash. I don't really feel the need for a shampoo. I'm only going to be there for the weekend. My favorite leave-in conditioner, my Elegantix White Peony, the Plentiful Curl Defining Styler for curly/coily hair, and of course my Eco Styler Gel. This product combination has been working really well for my hair, so I trust it enough to take it on the trip with me. Now, when traveling with curly hair products, I always try to make sure I take a combination that I know works really, really well for my hair. I definitely don't recommend taking a new product, something that you're kind of testing out, because you're wherever you are without any backup. There's not likely to be a store around, maybe not, and you just don't want that hassle of trying to figure out your hair when you're out of town trying to have a good time. And yeah, go ahead and stick a label on that bottle if you need to, because you will be surprised how confused you'll get once you get to your destination and you're like, is this conditioner or shampoo or cream? Which is this? So yeah, it's nothing wrong with marking the bottle so that you don't get them confused later on. And this tip may seem obvious, but I want to mention it just in case. I always overstock on the product that I bring with me because you just never know what could happen. I'm only going to be there from Friday to Monday, but like I said, for some reason when you travel, your hair can just act different. The humidity levels might be higher. You might get caught in a rainstorm. So yes, in this case, more is more. Now keep in mind, all your products must fit inside of a 1 quart Ziploc bag. Yeah, I know this is really getting kind of confusing, but there's always a loophole. Anytime I travel, if I feel like I'm running out of space or if I just ran out of space altogether, I will share my product load with Alex because he never, takes a bunch of hair products or lotions and creams, things, that women pack. So I'm like, here, can you just put this in your carry-on bag for me? And normally, he's pretty good about doing that. So yes, utilize those family members and friends. There's always a loophole. Now, of course, for this trip, I'm going to be taking my essentials, my wide tooth comb for detangling, my Denman brush for curl defining, and my water bottle. I've forgotten this thing so many times at home and I've regretted it every single time. Make sure you take a spray bottle with you. I'm also going to take my blow dryer. I don't have a travel one, so this one will have to do. And I'm going to be taking my collapsible diffuser attachment. The diffuser that I normally use, I traveled with before and it was just a mess. It was falling out of my bag. It didn't fit well in my carry-on and it just, I like the collapsible one much better. It fits easily inside any bag, reasonably sized, and it doesn't run the risk of cracking and breaking. Okay guys, that's going to be the end of this video. These are all the hair products I'm taking, aside from some hair ties and bobby pins and a bristle brush in case I get caught up. But if you're going on any trips, let me know what they are in the comments below and what are your must-haves when traveling. In the meantime, share this video, like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and as always, thanks for watching.